Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to obtain your CIPC Disclosure Certificate. So in recent years, while doing business, I've seen that this document is being requested a lot, whether it is a request from lenders or banks or from SARS or from clients, customers themselves. They are requesting this document. I would like to compare it to what SARS used to have, the form of a tax compliance certificate. So you could describe it as the CIPC's company status letter that shows the status of the company at the present. For the disclosure certificate, you require 30 Rand. So you must have that in your CIPC customer code balance or ready for payment from your credit card. So you click here, transact, and you come here where it says certificates and disclosures. You click that. You come here where it says official disclosure. So they used to have this free disclosure certificate, but of late, it's no longer available. It used to give you limited information, but it was free. Now they only have this full official disclosure certificate. So you enter here the enterprise number for the company you want to get the disclosure document for. So you enter validate, then it's going to show you the details of the company that correspond to the enterprise number you have entered. If that's the correct company, then you come and click here where it says generate certificate. So an email is going to be sent to you with the CIPC disclosure certificate. So join me on the next video as I show you how to obtain your COR 14.3, or what we call the CK document, or the company registration document. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless.